Welcome to Little Kitten Tales. Who's hiding in the sand? Animal discovery fun for kids.
Hi little explorers! Today we're going on a fun animal adventure right here in this soft squishy sand. There are some animals hiding inside and we need to find them and help them go back to their homes. The puzzle board. Are you ready? Ooh, what did you find? What animal is that?
Zebra.
Yes, a zebra. Every zebra has stripes, but no two look the same. Now, let's look at the puzzle. Can you find where the zebra goes? Perfect. Ooh, what did you find now? What animal is that?
A cat.
Yes, a cat. Cats love to nap in the sunshine and purr when they're happy. Now let's look at the puzzle. Can you find where the cat goes? Good job. What's hiding in there now? What animal is it?
A dog.
Yes, a dog. Dogs love to wag their tails when they're happy. Let's find the dog spot on the board. Great job. Here's a strong one with a big horn. What's it called?
Rhinoceros.
Yes, that's a rhino. Rhinos love rolling in the mud to stay cool. Now, let's look at the puzzle. Can you find where the rhino goes? Good job. Whoa, that one's big. What animal is it?
Elephant.
Yes, it's an elephant. Elephants use their trunks to eat, drink, and even give hugs. Now, let's look at the puzzle. Can you find where the elephant goes? Perfect. What did you find now? What animal is that?
A tiger.
Yes, a tiger. Tigers are big cats and they love swimming. Let's find tiger spot on the board. Good job. Look at that long neck. Do you know who this is?
It's a giraffe.
Yes, a giraffe. Giraffes use their long necks to reach the tallest leaves in the trees. Now, let's look at the puzzle. Can you find where the giraffe goes? Great job. This one looks fluffy. What animal is that?
Bear.
Yes, a bear. Bears sleep all winter in cozy caves. It's called hibernating. Now, let's look at the puzzle. Can you find where the bear goes? Perfect. What did you find now? What animal is that?
A mouse.
Yes, a mouse. Mice are super fast and love to run through tiny spaces. Can you find where the mouse goes? Good job! Here comes the last one. What is it?
It's a horse.
Yes, a horse. Horses sleep while standing up. Isn't that funny? Let's see where the horse goes on the board. Perfect! It's all complete. Wow, we found so many animals and learned a fun fact about them. Great job! And thank you, little friends, for helping us too.
Thanks for watching, little kittens. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.